Here's an opportunity to expand your SAP Functional and Management Knowledge with a global company. Hi, this is Travis with Architect. Our client is hiring an SAP Manufacturing Functional Lead Analyst. This is a full-time direct hire position. You will impact the company by utilizing your Solutions Architect, SAP Manufacturing Module expertise, and integration knowledge to gather business requirements, defining data elements, and documenting processes. Formulate and define system scope and objectives based on user needs with a thorough understanding of manufacturing activities and processes. Provide functional perspective and expertise in design discussions for SAP MM, PP, and EWM modules. Here you will develop and grow your problem-solving, collaboration, and project leadership skills. If you have over 8 years of information technology experience in SAP MM, PP, or EWM modules, and have participated in all phases of at least 2 full-cycle SAP manufacturing implementations, please contact me. Feel free to forward this video to anyone who may be of interest. To find out more about this position and other jobs, send your resume to trussell@artsnow.com. I'll talk to you soon.